Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a little concerned. Only 4 out of our 18 in our group have connected with me. And that's a little worrying because we've got a lot of work to get through. But why I'm speaking to you now is I'm speaking to you to tell you not to take any notice of the dates that you see on Learn 2023. I will give you the dates because we are handing our assignments in a little bit later, all right? So please stop panicking. Do not worry about those dates that you see on Learn 2023. Now, what I want to do today is I want to give you your first 2 assignments. The first assignment needs to be in on Thursday, the 2nd of March, which is the day after tomorrow. It is so easy that I think my grandchild of 10 could do this assignment. All you need to do is get hold of the SACE document, which you've got on Google, you can find it, and then answer the questions in this worksheet. And this is what it looks like. It's a worksheet that looks like this. And that's it. It's just this worksheet. And it's out of 37 marks. And if you read the SACE document as you're doing this, you'll find it very, very easy. Very easy. You could do it in a matter of an hour. All right? This is the first assignment, and I need this on Thursday. I've just received some very bad news, and that is that there's no class on campus this week. So I'm not going to see you on Friday. And that is very disturbing for me. Very disturbing. So you need to make sure that you are staying connected all the time to WhatsApp and to your email, so that anything I tell you, you can't say, I don't know, I didn't know about it. You've got to be watching, because the next 3 weeks will probably be the most important 3 weeks of your life. Right, so this assignment on SACE is your first assignment to hand in on Thursday. I have given you a lecture already, which I sent this morning, on SACE and professionalism. So you've got it there, and you've got it on Google. You can do on Learn 2023, the power presentations on there to listen to. Please get busy and do it. And then submit it to me. Email it to me, and I will mark it and send it back to you as soon as I can. Now, Wednesday, the 8th of March, that is when you are going to hand in to me the case study. This is a big one. It's a big one. And that is why I'm giving you a week for this. And the second lecture that I sent out today is all about how a school works. How does a school function? And in that lecture that I gave you are all the answers for the case studies. Everything you need is in there. If you want to know about quintiles, if you want to know about the PPN, if you want to know what an SGB is, if you want to know what HOD is, it's all in there. And I'm going to be emailing you tonight some more notes on my notes that I have for you to tell you more about the case studies and how it will help you. Now, the same thing goes for the case studies. There are 2 schools, one rural school, one urban school. And you need to read them. Don't try and answer those questions without reading the story of the school. Once you've read through both those schools, the stories, you start answering the questions. The questions are all in that lecture. The answers are in that lecture. There might be 3 questions in that whole case study where you have to give your own opinion. Thank goodness, because you want to use your brain a little bit as well, all right? So that is the assignment that needs to be handed in next Wednesday, the 8th of March. Now, please don't think that's all. There's going to be an assignment to hand in on Friday, and there's going to be an assignment to hand in on Monday. But I'm not going to bombard you now with that. These are the first two that I'm telling you about. The only reason why I've written Wednesday the 1st of March is that tomorrow I will be giving you another lecture which will help you with the next one, which has to be in on Friday. So what I'm trying to do is I am not trying to give you everything at the same time, because it's going to be of no use to you at all. You're just going to have a whole muddle of stuff going around your head. I want us to do this carefully, slowly, so that you understand what has to be done. The only thing that is worrying me is that people have not connected with me yet. And you're all on the WhatsApp group. I put you all on last night. You can be very happy about that, because an old lady got that right. And you need to connect, and you need to say to me, this is who I am, I've connected with you. I wouldn't mind if you all just wrote me privately a little something about yourself, where you're from, what degree you've got, where you're staying at the moment. And the reason why I ask that question is I need to know whether you're on campus, or whether you're in town, or whether you're at home in Ulundi, in Bergville, wherever you are. Because there might be a time where I want to meet you, and I need to know where the best place would be. All right? So I'm not being nosy, but I would like a little bit from you. Tell me about what your hobbies are. Just give me a WhatsApp video. That's all. Right. So I will speak to you again tomorrow. Please make sure that these 2 dates you've taken note of. Thanks very much.